Hi people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always sticking with us and for the encouragement. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to place your Swiss lace properly before ventilation. In other words, I call it getting familiar with your Swiss lace before ventilating either a closure, frontal or full lace. So let's get started. As you can see, this is how I have my Swiss lace. It's facing me this way, going backward. That is, the lines are placed on the vertical way, this way. I'm here now, so it's moving backward. I'm facing here, it's going this way. So that is how to properly place the Swiss lace. If you look at this, I have to zoom it so that you will see what I'm actually showing you. This hole that you are seeing here, if you check, it has 6 sizes. Sorry, 6 sides, not sizes, please. We have here, one here, we have another one here, we have another one here, here, here. You can see it's 6 sizes. So when I want to ventilate the diagonal pattern of ventilation, I will put my ventilating pin this way. Can you see? This way. If I want to use the diagonal pattern of ventilation, I'll put my ventilating pin this way. If I want to use the vertical method of ventilation, I'll put my ventilating pin this way. I don't know if you can see the difference. The diagonal is this way. The vertical is this way. Here. Moving backward. The diagonal will be moving sideways, this way. Then for the vertical, for the horizontal, is still, the placement of your ventilating pin will still go this way. Only the placement of your attaching of the hair strand differs. That's the main difference between the vertical and the horizontal. So knowing how to place your Swiss lace before ventilation is the key thing to ventilating a closure. So many do not know how to place it. Thereby, it becomes difficult for them to ventilate. So please, this is the proper way to place it. You place it such that your net is in the vertical position, this way. Then you can ventilate either using your vertical, your horizontal or diagonal pattern of ventilation.